Explorer. Now I'm going to kill Gavin Graham for killing Caillou.
Meanwhile, to Gavin Graham.
I wonder what's on TV.
Breaking news, Justin. Dora the Explorer revived herself so she can kill Gavin Graham for killing Caillou. We're now going to David Matthew, Buzz the Moon and Mr. Blobby. David.
Thank you, Mr. Connor. Buzz the Moon and Mr. Blobby, I heard that Dora the Explorer revived herself so she can kill Gavin Graham for killing Caillou. So, Mr. Blobby, do you have anything to say about Dora? Okay, Mr. Blobby. Buzz the Moon, do you have anything to say about Dora?
Yes. Dora is the stupidest baby show character who had the stupid monkey named Boots, and she also likes dogs, including a Chihuahua, and she also likes to go hang out with Caillou so they can cause trouble. And the We Did It song is so terrible.
Okay, Buster Moon. Back to you, Mr. Connor.
Thank you, David Matthew. If you want to know where Dora is, she's in the National History Museum. And if Gavin Graham is here, he can bring his friends to stop Dora from having the worst show ever and Gavin Graham killing Caillou.
Oh no! Dora's back to life? I thought I killed her by running her over by my car. And not the National History Museum again. First, Bellwether got arrested again. And second, Caillou got killed by Mama Luigi. Alright, Jeffy. Go get your Pooperman shirt on and let's go get my friends so we can kill Dora the Explorer.
Alright, Gavin Graham.
Dun 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 dun! Pooperman's here to save the day!
Sometime later. Oh man, the door is locked. How are we going to get in here?
I know, Gavin. Grab Rex from Toy Story so we can bust in there.
Great idea, Jeffy. Let's use his head so we can get inside.
But I don't want to use...
Oh my god. Cut! The longest sound effects video 3, part 9, take 2.
Hey, Gavin. Why don't we use Rex from Toy Story so we can bust in?
That's a great idea, Jeffy. Let's bust in there.
But I don't want to use my hand!
Dee Dora. Dee Dora. Dee Dora. Dora the Explorer. Let's go on adventures together.
Oh, there's Dora.
Gavin Graham, what are you doing here? I can't believe you ran me over.
Of course I did, Dora. In fact, I have other friends who helped me. The names is Jeffy, Judy Hobbs, Claudio, Nick Wilde, Kirby, and the others.
Oh yeah? Not if I kill you first.
Dora the Explorer, why would you kill Gavin Graham? He is our friend.
Oh yeah, Judy Hobbs? You're next. Oh, what's this? Kirby? Instead of shooting it, I will launch it up to the moon. By kicking it. Alright, who should I kill next?
You're not going to kill everyone anymore. Put your gun down right now.
Okay, police, I'll put it down.
And we also have a couple friends with us so we could kill you. So, prepare to die, Dora.
To be continued!
For the final part, part 10. I'm not dead, alright? But I will be revived on part 10 soon. So, this is Gavin Graham signing off. Happy 2017, everyone.